this is Saunamena here again. In this video, this is a video 2 where we'll be discussing how to add and subtract integers without using a number line. The first video we discussed how to add and subtract integers using a number line. Now with this video, without using a number line. Okay. So there are certain rules which you must know or which we use when adding or subtracting numbers or integers without using a number line. The following are the rules. So the following are the basic rules when adding and subtracting integers without using a number line. 1. To add integers that have the same sign, keep the same sign and add the numbers together. If the integers have got the same sign, keep that same sign and add the numbers. Alright. 2. To add integers with different sign, keep the sign of the largest number. Keep the sign of the largest number and subtract the smallest number from the largest number. To subtract an integer, add its opposite numbers. Okay, what you must know when adding and subtracting numbers, this point is very important. Note, two consecutive like signs result in a positive sign. Two consecutive signs which are following each other. This or this. These signs are following each other. So this sign results into a positive sign. Two consecutive and like signs result in a negative sign. For example, I've got a negative and a positive, or a positive and a negative. They result into a negative sign. You are going to understand this concept pretty well on our third video when we'll be discussing about how you can multiply or divide integers without using a number line. Okay, so let's go to our examples as we'll be referring to these rules. Okay, so let me just erase the first part here. We have got question 1A. Question 1A is, okay, find the value of the following. Question 1I, which is 14 plus 17. 14 plus 17. As you can see, 14 is a positive number. 14 is a positive number. 17 is a positive number too. So according to rule 1, to add integers that have the same sign, keep the sign. So let's keep the sign. So we are discussing about, so this is a positive, this is a positive. So we have kept a positive sign here. Alright. And then after you keep the same sign, add the numbers together. So let's add 14 plus 17. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 1, remainder 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus that 1 is 3. So you have got positive 31. Positive 31 is our answer. Let's go to 2. 2 is saying negative 5 plus negative 7 plus negative 3 plus negative 3. Alright. So from here, if you want, you can calculate all of them at once, but I can advise you to calculate them step by step by starting with 2 numbers and then your answer with a third number. You can start with this number, these 2 numbers, or these 2 numbers in order. Okay, so let's start with these first 2 numbers. We have got negative 5. Now let's deal with this consecutive sign. What do we say about consecutive sign? Note 2, we say 2 consecutive and like signs which are not the same result in a negative sign. So since positive and negative they are alike sign, it's resulting into a negative sign. Even here we have got positive and negative, it will result into a negative sign. Okay. Now from -5 and -7, we're going to use rule 1, which says when you add integers that have the same sign, keep the sign and add the numbers. Okay, let's go to rule 2. 2, we say to add integer with different sign, keep the sign to the largest number. Alright. So the same thing which we have discussed here, it can be applied to negative numbers. When you subtract what? Numbers with the same negative or with the same sign. Keep the sign like this and then add these. So we are keeping the sign and then add the numbers together. So 5 plus 7 is what? 12 minus 3. Again, this is the same sign, so a negative here. 12 plus 3 is what? 15. So we have got negative 15 there. Right? Let's go to 3. 3 is saying we have got negative 2 minus negative 5 minus positive 6. Alright, so we have got negative. So since here we have the same sign, we say that two consecutive like signs result into a positive sign. So this will give us a positive. Then these, they are unlike, so it will give us a negative 6. Alright, so from here, negative 5 plus 5, negative 5 plus 5. To add integers with different signs, keep the sign of the largest number. So the largest number between negative 5 and 5 is what? It's 5. So 5 has got a positive sign. So keep the sign of the largest number and subtract the smallest number from the largest number. Then let's subtract the smallest 2 into from 5. So we're going to have 3. So negative 2 plus 5 is positive 3. And then of course we have got negative 6. Even here we have got what? Numbers with different signs. So keep the sign of what? The largest number. So the largest number is 6. The sign of 6 is what? A negative. And you subtract the smallest number from the largest number. So 6 minus 3 is what? Is 3. This is our answer. We have calculated our value. Let's go to 4. For is saying we have got negative 9 plus positive 9. Let's first simplify here. Okay, so we have got negative 9. So we have got two consecutive like signs. So the result is what? A positive sign. Okay, so now this one has got two different unlike numbers. And then the numbers, they are the same. For example, we can take a negative, since here it's saying, to add integers with different signs, keep the sign of the largest number and subtract the smallest number from the largest number. So which sign are we going to take? So the rule is saying, take the sign of the largest number. Now, we have got 9, negative 9, and 9. 9 and 9. So these, they are almost equal numbers, right? They are equal. So meaning that this is giving us a clue that we are dealing with a number which is neutral. It's neither negative or positive. Neither negative or positive. And then let's subtract the smaller from the larger number. Of course, 9 minus 9 is what? It's 0. So 0, there is no negative 0, no. So in short, 0, just treat it to be a positive number. Okay. Let's go to question 5. Question 5 is saying we have got positive 20 minus negative 75. So here we have got two consecutive like signs. So since they are like signs, then we add. We have this according to this statement here. So 20 plus 75. 20 plus 75. Let's go to rule 1. So when you add integers that have same sign, keep the sign and add the number together. Add the numbers together. So here you have the same sign which is positive, and then we add the numbers. 20 plus 75 is what? 95. So positive 95 is our answer. Let's go to question 2. Question 2. Question 2 is saying, complete the sentence. Complete the sentence. Negative 75, positive box is equal to 20. So here we are looking for a number which can fit here. Now, this involves a little application of this rule. It's a very beautiful question, by the way. Okay, so here we have got negative 7 plus box is equal to 20. Now the question is, the first question which must come into your mind is, what sign is the number which is supposed to be this box should have or must have? Okay, now listen to this. Here it's saying, when you are adding numbers that have the same sign, keep the same sign and add the numbers together. Here we have got a negative 7. If this number has got a negative 7 inside here, then the answer here should be a negative. Now, since our answer is negative, it implies that the sign which is here is a positive. So that when you multiply a positive and a positive according to this rule, it will give us a positive. So the sign of the answer or the sign of the number here, we know that it's a positive, not a negative. Because if it's a negative, then our answer should have a negative sign here. And then 2, rule 2 is saying to add integers with different sign, keep the sign of the largest number. Keep the sign of the largest number. Now, since our answer is positive and they have kept the positive sign, it means that the number which is here is larger than 75, negative 75. Or is larger than 75. The number which is here is larger than 75. How did we know? Because the sign here we have kept is what? A positive, since it's positive 20. Therefore, to find this largest number, just add 75 and 20. 75 and 20, which is 90. 75 and 20, which is what? 95. Which is 95. So, 95, if you desire, you can say, let's just add a positive here. Positive 95. So we can see that you have got 75. This positive, we have got a positive 95. We keep the positive sign of the largest number and then we subtract the small number from the largest number to give us a 20. Okay, let's go to question 3. Question 3 is also a very good question. Okay, question 3 is interrogating us on how we understand mathematical concepts which are given in words form. So question 3 says, Joshua was doing a science experiment about temperature. He measured the temperature of a beaker of water and found that it was 23 degrees. He put the water into the freezer and measured it 3 hours later. The temperature was negative 10 degrees Celsius. What was the change in temperature? Very simple. From here, the first thing which you must do is let's try to collect some information. Let's extract mathematical concept from this, which is from the mathematical concept which are being expressed in word form. Okay, so one, we know that the initial temperature is what? The initial temperature is 23 degrees Celsius. Because he found that it was what? 23 degrees Celsius. So Joshua found that the water which is put in freezer, it's 23 degrees Celsius. And then after putting it in the freezer, he measured it after 3 hours and he found that the final temperature is what? Negative 10 degrees Celsius. Now, what was the change in temperature? What was the change in temperature? Okay, let me use this part. What was the change in temperature? So we're going to express our simple data which we have collected in this form. In this form. Okay, so this was the initial temperature, then plus a box here, and the final temperature, which is our answer, is what? -10. So we are looking for the change in temperature, which is the box. Okay, so let's use the simple rules which are here. Make sure that you make full utilization of these rules. You master them. Okay, so since we have got a negative sign here as our answer, it means that the number which is here, has got a negative sign, because this one has got a positive sign. Therefore, this one should have a negative sign. Okay, I've already explained why this one should have a negative sign. Okay, so we know that this one should have a negative sign, because if this one is a positive sign, then definitely this one should be a positive sign. Because when you add integers with the same sign, you keep the sign the same sign. Okay, now we have identified that this number has got a negative sign. Now, what is the quantity, or what is the exact value of this number which is here? Okay, now what we must know is about root 2. To add integers with different sign, keep the sign of the largest number. So from here, they have kept the sign of the largest number, which is negative, the largest number, and the answer is what? A negative. They have kept a negative sign here, meaning that the number which is here is bigger than 23. So for us to know the number which is here, we just add 23 plus 10, which is what? 33. So with this negative sign here. To prove, just say 23. Since you have got different consecutive or unlike signs here, we are having negative 33. Okay? So we keep the sign of the largest number and subtract the smallest number from the largest number, which is negative 10, which is this answer. So in this video, we have explained on how you can add and subtract integers without using a number line. In the next video, we are going to discuss about how you can multiply and divide integers. Make sure you watch video 3. See you there.